Hello guys, how to be here, and today we'll show you how you will make a chicken barbecue as well as a fish barbecue. And if you don't know, you'll have to just mix all the masalas and marinate the chicken as well as the fish about at least 2 or 3 hours, so that the marination will be very pure and good, and the masala will soak into the each part of the chicken as well as in the fish. And as you can see, we will use the charcoal and the charcoal grill, as the charcoal grill will actually make you a natural smoky flavor, and this is actually best for the barbecue. And as you can see, we are just waiting for the charcoal to be burned up, and it may take 20 minutes to burning every and each of the charcoals. So after that we will just put out the fire and the charcoal will burn itself. So we will just put the chicken as well as the fish in the over the charcoal, so that the charcoal will heat them up and just grill the total things. All the marination process is on, and we will just wait for a while. The fire will turn off and coal will be blinking more. There is also fish and chicken, so we have the both tastes. শান্তি
বাইদের বোধহয় শীত একটু কম করে কেন
না, যে হিট আছে তো
আপনার একসাথেই না। বাপরে বাপ, এই ঠান্ডার মধ্যে দুপুরে নামার পরে অবস্থা খারাপ। আমার মেয়ের সাথে কথা হইছে, আমার শান্তি এখন আসছে।
And yeah, this was it, and I hope you all enjoy the video, and also don't forget to subscribe. And if you are new to this channel, just hit the subscribe and the like button, and also share the video, as we will make some funny as well as important videos, like interesting videos, so we will enjoy the journey. And that's all from today. See you all soon. Peace.